Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy.
In this lecture, let us understand a problem on polar plot. Here, the transfer function is given. For this transfer function, we need to find the polar plot. First step is to replace s with j omega. So in this transfer function, we need to replace s with j omega. So we will get g of j omega into h of j omega will be equal to 100 divided by 100 minus omega square plus j10 omega. So how we have written this equation? In this expression we have replaced s with j omega. So if we replace s with j omega, we will get 100 divided by j square omega square plus 10 j omega plus 100. J square is minus 1. That's why we can write this expression as 100 divided by minus omega square plus 10 j omega plus 100. So we can group the real terms in the denominator. So we have written 100 minus omega square plus j10 omega, so which is imaginary term. So we have got this expression. Now to find the magnitude, so we know we can find magnitude as square root of a square plus b square if the expression is in the form a plus jb, and we can find the phase as tan inverse of b by a. So let us use these two formula and find the magnitude and phase expression. So magnitude, we can write it as square root of 100 square plus 0 square in the numerator divided by square root of 100 minus omega square whole square. So this is the real term plus imaginary term is 10 omega square. So this is the expression for magnitude. To write the phase, we can write for the numerator term, we don't have any j omega term. So that's why we will be having 0 here. In the denominator, we will write minus tan inverse of, so b is 10 omega. So we can write that one 10 omega divided by a is 100 minus omega square. So 100 minus omega square. So this is the expression for phase. Now when omega tends to 0, if we put omega is equal to 0, at that case we will get magnitude as 1 and phase as 0 degree. And when omega tends to infinity, magnitude will be equal to 0. If we make omega is equal to infinity here, magnitude will be equal to 0. And if we make omega is equal to infinity in phase, we will get phase as minus 180 degree. So the starting point of the polar plot is at 0 degree and end point is at minus 180 degree, which means the plot should be rotated minus 180 degree clockwise. So rotation of plot will be equal to minus 180 degree, which is the end phase, minus starting phase is 0 degree. So the plot should be rotated minus 180 degree. So minus represents clockwise. So rotation should be 180 degree. So the rotation will be clockwise 180 degree rotation. If we consider a polar plane, now we need to plot these values in polar plane. When omega is equal to 0, magnitude is 1 and phase is 0 degree. So on x-axis, phase will be 0 degree. So magnitude is 1 from the center. So this is the starting point, which is 1 at an angle of 0 degree. When omega is equal to infinity, magnitude is 0 and phase angle is minus 180 degree. So magnitude will be 0 and phase angle will be minus 180 degree. So this is minus 180 degree here. So the end point will be at 0 at an angle of minus 180 degree. So this is the end point. Now let us draw the polar plot. So let us join these 2 points. So how we need to join? From 0 degree, the plot should rotate 180 degree in clockwise direction to meet the end point. So we will draw the polar plot. So this is the polar plot for the given problem. This is about problem on polar plot. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.